Welcome to 2026 and the Pi News world, where innovation, digital finance, and community transformation take center stage. As we enter this pivotal year, the Pi Network community is uniting across continents and cultures, embracing new opportunities and challenges. The spirit of progress and collaboration is stronger than ever, signaling a collective step forward into the future. With millions of members worldwide, Pi Network is poised to make a significant impact on the digital economy in the year ahead. As 2026 begins, Pi Network is demonstrating significant progress, marked by a more robust ecosystem and growing real-world applications. Developer and merchant involvement is on the rise, signaling increased confidence in the platform's potential. What was once an ambitious concept is now steadily transforming into a vital component of digital infrastructure. This evolution reflects Pi Network's commitment to practical utility and widespread adoption in the digital economy. Global adoption of Pi Network is gaining momentum as more users and businesses embrace its expanding range of applications. From digital payments and peer-to-peer value exchange to innovative community-driven apps and seamless Web3 integration, Pi is steadily embedding itself into daily life. These advancements are transforming Pi from a theoretical concept into a practical tool for real-world transactions. As the ecosystem matures, Pi Network is positioning itself as a versatile platform ready to meet the evolving needs of a digital economy. The Pi Network community now stands stronger than ever, united by a shared commitment to fair access and inclusive financial opportunities. In 2026, this collective vision is driving real progress as members actively contribute to the network's development and growth. Their dedication to long-term value creation is evident in the expanding ecosystem and increasing participation from users around the world. Together, the community is not just supporting the network, they are shaping its future and laying the foundation for a more accessible digital economy. Experts agree that 2026 marks a turning point in the evolution of blockchain technology, and Pi Network is at the forefront of this transformation. The network has placed a strong emphasis on security, ensuring that user assets and data remain protected as adoption grows. Sustainable growth and global scalability are central to Pi Network's strategy, allowing it to serve an expanding international community. By prioritizing real-world utility and meaningful impact, Pi Network aims to move beyond speculation and establish itself as a practical solution in the digital economy. This year represents a pivotal moment for Pi Network as it moves from groundwork to tangible execution. The emphasis is now shifting away from simply mining and holding Pi toward fostering genuine usage and economic activity within the ecosystem. As the network evolves, the focus is on enabling real-world transactions and practical applications. This transition signals the beginning of a phase where Pi's value is defined not just by potential, but by its actual use in everyday life. Pi's ecosystem is experiencing steady growth as more platforms integrate the digital currency and merchants begin to test Pi-based payment systems. Developers are actively creating new solutions, further enriching the network's capabilities. This expanding utility is essential, providing a strong foundation for Pi Network's continued expansion and resilience. As real-world use cases multiply, the network becomes increasingly relevant in the evolving landscape of digital finance. In 2026, Pi Network is opening new doors for developers, merchants, communities, and everyday users. The focus is on creating sustainable digital value, moving beyond the allure of quick gains. By prioritizing real-world utility and fostering a robust ecosystem, Pi Network aims to empower participants at every level. This approach encourages innovation, collaboration, and meaningful growth, setting the stage for a more inclusive digital economy. As the network evolves, its commitment to long-term progress remains at the forefront. Pioneers are urged to remain engaged and well-informed as the Pi Network evolves. Building responsibly and focusing on projects that deliver real utility are highlighted as key drivers of sustainable growth. Active participation and a commitment to long-term goals are seen as vital to the network's ongoing success. By embracing these principles, the community can help shape a robust and valuable digital ecosystem. In 2026, Pi Network is focused on advancing its strategic vision by enhancing the app ecosystem and refining the overall user experience. The platform is prioritizing the facilitation of genuine transactions, aiming to foster real-world utility for its growing user base. By supporting community-driven projects, Pi Network empowers its members to innovate and contribute to the ecosystem's growth. Additionally, efforts to expand global reach are underway, positioning Pi Network as a more accessible and inclusive digital platform worldwide. As digital finance continues to transform, Pi Network stands out by prioritizing inclusivity and accessibility for users across the globe. Its community-driven model empowers individuals who may have been excluded from traditional financial systems, offering them a new way to participate in the digital economy. By lowering barriers to entry and fostering collective engagement, Pi Network is poised to reshape how millions manage, exchange, and perceive money in their daily lives. This innovative approach signals a shift toward a more equitable and connected financial future. Pi Network is redefining the role of digital currency by focusing not just on financial gains, but on meaningful social impact. By lowering barriers to entry, it opens doors for individuals who might otherwise be excluded from the digital economy. The platform leverages technology as a means to foster broader participation, giving more people a voice and a stake in the future of finance. This approach empowers users, making the digital economy more inclusive and accessible for communities around the world. Looking ahead, Pi Network is poised to advance its mission by prioritizing ecosystem growth and expanding real-world utility. The platform aims to strengthen community governance, empowering users to have a greater voice in decision-making processes. Technological upgrades are on the horizon, ensuring the network remains secure and scalable as adoption increases. With these strategic initiatives, Pi Network seeks to achieve greater global recognition and solidify its role in the evolving digital finance landscape throughout 2026. As the broadcast comes to a close, a spirit of optimism and unity resonates throughout the Pi Network community. The message is clear. 2026 is a year for building, growing, and shining together. With digital transformation accelerating, the community is encouraged to collaborate and embrace new opportunities. The future is unfolding now, shaped by collective effort and shared vision. Together, the journey toward a more inclusive digital world continues.